now for my next number, I'd like to return to the classics.
What's on, everybody? It's Saturday, it's tutorial time. Today we're taking it back to the flip tricks. We're gonna go learn some backside flips. Close out! I'll tell you when it's okay. Okay? Alright, so in order to do the backside flip, you're gonna have to be able to do a kickflip and a back 180. We have tutorials for both of these things, so check them out if you haven't done them already, and then come back to this one. So in order to make this backside flip nice and easy, we're gonna break it into 3 simple steps. Positioning, popping, and landing. So first of all, we've got positioning. I'm going to sort of start at the bottom and work my way up, because you need to know what your feet do and then what your body do. For the feet, front foot I put just behind the bolts in kind of a kickflip position, so you're ready just to flick off the top there. And then with the back foot, I put it right in this pocket so that I can get a bit of scoop and get my turn round. And for the body, as I'm coming into the trick, I just bend and pre-wind a little bit so I'm ready to throw that turn as I come into the backside. So our second step, popping. For this, your whole body is going to have to work as one from the top to the bottom. You've got your feet in this position, you've got your pre-wind. As you throw that backhand round to get your rotation, you're going to have to pop the board, flick this foot off to get the kick flip, and then your back foot is going to have to scoop it round so that you get the 180 out of the board as well. So your back foot's doing a scoop, your front foot's doing the flip, and your body is throwing it round so you get the rotation out of it. It's best to try this trick moving, because when you try standing still, it doesn't really work as well, because you can't get that movement at the end that you need to swish it round. It just ends up being a bit weird. Stage 3, finale, the best bit, catching it, riding away. Sometimes when you're learning this one, you can get stuck with just moving your feet round and locking your shoulders midway. When you throw that rotation, you've really got to commit to coming all the way around. That's the best way, because it's going to help you get your legs to come with it and follow your body. So you've popped the board, you're flipping it round, you're watching it. This is the most important bit, you've got to be watching that flip. So as soon as you see that grip tape, slap those feet on the bolts and try push it down to the floor. As long as you've got your body twisted all the way around, you've thrown your rotation, even if your board's here, your feet should try and follow your body and be able to skirt the rest of the board round to finish. Now don't forget, if you're struggling with this one at first on flat, try it on some different obstacles, maybe on a flat bank or on a hit or something, and just make it that bit easier to learn. So that was backside flips. I hope it helped you guys. If it did, leave us a comment below, let us know. If you want any tricks to be done, let us know as well. We can always hook that up for you. If you love our videos, click subscribe, click the little bell so you're always the first to see them. Thanks a lot. See you later.